The real reason why your sciatica hasn't improved is because of your nervous system that's keeping you stuck in your deep habitual patterns. And that's exactly what you need to change, and exactly what I'm going to help you with in this video. You're now going to retrain your habitual movement patterns that will influence your sciatic nerve pain. So with this movement lesson, I'm going to demonstrate sitting on the floor. But you can also do the same lesson sitting on a chair, whichever works better for you, for your body. And the way that you're going to practice the movement is, first you're going to watch my demonstration, listen to my verbal instructions and guidance, and then you go back and follow and listen to my verbal guidance only with your eyes closed, so that you can bring attention to your body and you can connect with your body. I always say you need to connect with your body so that you can learn about your own habitual patterns from the inside out, because that's the only way you can learn. You have to be in your body, and then so with your eyes closed, it's much easier to feel and sense your body. So I highly recommend you do that way. So first, why don't you watch my demonstration and listen to my verbal guidance, and then go back and start practicing, okay? And go ahead and sit on the floor with your feet, with your legs bent and feet on the ground. If you're choosing to do this one on the floor, but you can do on a chair as well. So slowly begin to lift your right foot, just so slowly, and starting to cross your right knee over the left. And go through this movement very slowly so that you can attend into your body and how you bring your leg over, bringing your right leg, crossing your right leg over your left. And as you do that, and allow your weight to shift over to the left side. And look for places where you can reduce an effort. Allow your stomach muscles, your abs, to relax so that you can actually allow your spine and the ribs to move. So think about softening your spine, softening your chest so that you can easily shift your weight and cross your right knee over the left without holding yourself tight and rigid. Repeat these movements until you can cross your knee over the left, right knee over the left easily. And then you can switch over to the other side and observe the difference compared to the other side. You may find this is easier side or this is the harder side. And slowly starts to lift your left foot and cross your left knee over the right, like you did on the other side. If the movement is feeling difficult, and slow down the movements and find the places where you can let go of any unnecessary holding, effort, tension. Allow your spine to move, allow your chest to move, and then alternate, crossing your right knee over the left and the left knee over the right. And so allowing the whole body to participate so that you can move going in one direction to the other direction with the same ease, without holding your breath, without using your strength to do that, but allow your body to move all together. Then you can move from side to side easily without stopping your breath. And when the movement becomes easier, then you can stop the movement. Okay, now you're done. And go ahead and bring attention to your body and notice quality of your breathing, and notice your back, notice your legs, your sciatic, whichever the side that you experience, oftentimes your sciatic pain, and notice how you feel in your body right now. And you can even take a little walk around and see if walking has gotten a little bit easier and better. That movement practice you just did, and you may be wondering, what does that have to do with my sciatic pain and my sciatica? This is very much related to the way that you move your bodies in a habitual way in the day-to-day activities, including how you stand, how you sit, and how you walk. And oftentimes we carry our weight habitually more towards one leg than the other leg. And just by going through these small movements, like this, and helping you become aware that one side is your habitual side, so that it's easier to move into that side, which means that you're constantly or more often you're putting weight on that side. And your brain has become quite habitual and associates that pattern with the pain as well. And what you want to do is you want to dissociate those patterns, and by exploring in different ways to move so that you're not stuck in the same weight distribution in the same way that you stand and support your weight, your posture, sitting and standing and walking. You want to reorganize how you walk, how you stand, how you sit. So by slowly moving and by bringing your attention and pain and noticing and sensing your body, as you're going through the slow shifting weight side to side, you're allowing the brain to integrate the new movement patterns so that you can start to actually shift. If you're stuck in the same way, then your brain starts to move you in a different direction as well. So that is going to change all the habitual patterns in the nervous system, and you're going to experience your body and differently. So that's the nervous system retraining and the movement retraining. Of course, doing just once now is not enough to change that. You have to practice a couple times a day and then paying attention how you're sitting, how you're standing. Not that you have to correct anything. You catch yourself, oh, okay, I'm habitually sitting, leaning over to this side again. I can explore and to sit over to the other side as well. By paying attention more to yourself and throughout your day, then you can explore and then move away from the same habitual patterns more often. And that's how you start to shift away from your habitual patterns. And that is going to help you with your sciatic pain. So that's way beyond just stretching when you experience a pain. Stretching, strengthening, and massaging, they're not really working for you because that's not really changing your habitual patterns. That's in the nervous system, right? So practice paying attention to your body, incorporating new awareness and the new movement patterns into your daily activities. So, I hope you enjoy this video, and if you like this video, and please support my channel by subscribing and hitting the like button. And if conventional approaches aren't working for you and your body, and you want to feel good in your body again, and please watch my free masterclass in the description below. And you can apply for my comprehensive movement course inside the masterclass if you want to rediscover the joy of moving your body again.